Hello guys, this is Srinivas, the developer from the developer channel. Today we are going to solve the Skidmark daily challenge of 19 June 2021. Here, this is the problem. We have to create a custom exception related to the name and age. Here they will pass a input with a string value and an integer value. If the string value length is greater than 20, we should raise an exception, which is nothing but name cannot contain more than 20 characters. If the age is negative or 0, we should raise an exception. The age cannot be negative or 0. Otherwise, we just need to print the value as it is. Let's see in a programmatical way. Here, this is the predefined code they have given. We just need to create a class for this custom exception, which extends the class exception. Class maximum length exceeded exception, which extend the class exception where all the exceptions are stored or where we can get all the exception. Inside this we have to create a constructor which is nothing but a init function which will store the message or error message for the object or the exception. Here this is the message we should print for this maximum length exceeded exception. So this will be passed here. We just need to assign those value to this object. Self error message equal to error message. Likewise, we have to create a exception for the negative value exception. Inside this also we should create this sorry for that, the self should be inside this parenthesis. Error message, and we will store the error message to that object. So if we run this program with the value developer, no, the developer, and with the value -1, we got age cannot be negative or 0 exception. Likewise, if we do this for something more than 20, something more than 20 characters with the age 100, we got name cannot contain more than 20 characters. If we have the same with a negative value, we will get the first exception, which is nothing but the name cannot be more than 20 characters, because at the moment if we see this or hit this if statement, it directly go to the except statement. It won't read the rest of the lines. It just jump to this exception block. If the both if cases are not executed, it will print the name and age. Like here, valid age, so we got valid 10. That's it guys. But Here this is they have used the print statement which contains or which prints the exception E. Sometimes it will just print the address of the object like this, exception something. So to get rid of that, we just return a string value. For that we should need a string special function which will have the object and it will return the value stored in this object. Likewise, we have to do the same operation for here also. Otherwise, we may get some address values which we can't able to understand by mere eyes. Here, this is what I was speaking about. We may get some value like this. Mm. If we run this program, we got division by zero error, right? Since this is updated compiler, it just print the value direct instead of printing those values as a memory. Or I may did something. So if we just specify this string value, we may get rid of those errors. That's it guys, that's it for today's video. Here this is the code for your review. This is the thing that you have to uh, what focus. Hope we will meet tomorrow with a Skidmark DC. Until then, bye.